value, you go to math, right arrow, yes. And we're going to do x plus 2 on the inside. Hit graph. What are we expecting to see? What's the shape of our graph? A V. Does it move up, down, left, or right? Which way? It's going to move left. Remember, the one inside is a lighter. So it's going to move to the left too. So in your mind, you should have that kind of visualized of what you expect. So we're going to hit graph. And it does go with what we predicted. But I need to draw that on my paper. Alright, so this is where your graph paper is going to come in handy. Go ahead and make an X and Y axis on your graph paper. Do all that math. There's a lot of math and computations to do. So you see this trace button here at the very top. Hit trace, and it automatically will give you a point. 0, 2 is a point on my graph. I can graph that. Zero, 2 is a point on your graph. We can plot that. So go ahead and plot it. Maybe I want to get some more points. Give me another x value. 6. So I hit 6, enter, and so we get 6, 8 is a point, and I can grab it. And it also shows me where it is, so I have a less likelihood of making a mistake plotting the point. Okay. So 6, 8 is a point. Yes. Yes. We can type in -2. Hit enter. And we can get another point. So you can continually do this and get your points down. Okay. Now, Brandy said that there's another way that we could get these points as well. She said all we have to do to get them all at one time is to hit second and graph and here's table. Now it's all there all at one time. Now if your table has like crazy numbers here, okay, you can scroll up and down with your arrow keys if you don't like those points that it first shows up. Or if it starts at like -100 or something, you go right next to it. Second window, you can tell where you want your table to start. Okay? So that's ways that you can get your graph. Go ahead and plot your points and draw your graph. Because next week, on your graphing part of your test, you just use your calculator. Graphing. Yeah, we're going to graph this one on paper. Before we hit graph, what's the shape? A V. Is it going to, what does the 2 in the very front tell you about this V? It's going to make it skinnier. It's going to stretch it so it's twice as tall, which makes it a little on the skinny side. Yep. What is the 3 on the inside going to make it do? Right, 3. -5. We did on yesterday. Alright, so if we hit graph, that's what we should be calculating. Here it is. So let's make a T-chart. I prefer to use the trace buttons because that way I can see it graphically and I don't make a mistake. If you like the table 0, 1 would be a point I could put in my table and graph it. On my paper, the y-axis, the x-axis. You're still nice because I don't have a screen paper here. So 0, 1 would be a point, and I can see where it is. And we get some more points. Maybe I want to know what happens at 1. So 1, negative 1 would be another point for my graph. The important point is where the B has like a vertex down here at the bottom. I haven't got there yet. That's a pretty critical point to get, so I'm going to keep going. 2, negative 3, 3. Oh, there it is. 3, negative 5. Coincidental, isn't that the two numbers that were in the equation? 3, negative 5 would be a point. That's my vertex. Now I should start coming back up. Say what's 5. 5, negative 1.